Hey guys, the old man's back. Just briefly, I'm working on another project, but I just had to do this as a separate discrete video. This arrived in the mail this morning from Randy Richard in the shop, and I'm just blown away by it. It's just amazing. It's got his logo on here. And look at what we've got. A special box to hold the large and the small dovetail cutters, and find something to point with. There's a slot there for the large insert and a slot there for the small insert. Spare screw. What do you think of that? It's fantastic. Brilliant job, Randy. Absolutely brilliant. That's the inside of the box. I mean, it almost proves you can make about anything with 3D printing, but it's got to be drawn up first. Absolutely brilliant. Thanks, Randy. I mean, these are almost too good to use, aren't they? What with these and the scribes, Randy's really been making some terrific stuff. Have to recommend that. So maybe if somebody hasn't yet bought dovetail cutters, they can buy the pair and they'll get the box. Absolutely brilliant. Thanks, Randy. Brilliantly done. Alright guys, hope to see you before too long if I can get enough shop time. Take care. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.